We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally pronounced as attitude. You do want to stress on the first syllable, on the A syllable. Attitude. There is a bit of a chu sound at the end, on the last syllable, chewed. Attitude. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as attitude, 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 versus, in British English, attitude, against attitude. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.